Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share turn MS Word into a real notebook. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just opened Word application. So I just want to show the magic with Word plain into a notebook model. What I have to do here? So nowadays school has started. So I just want to create a notebook format so that it is easy to print and I can able to give it to my students. What I have to do here? Just go to file menu and just go to print option. Once you click a print option, there will be a page setup in the downside. As you see here, just hit the button of page setup. There will be a margin, top, bottom, left and right will be there. Give it into 0. So change everything into a 0 and just click OK. So it should be without any other margin over here. As you see here, my cursor is here. So before that it was here, now it is here. Now the magic will be happen over here. So just go to a table on the top. There will be insert button, table on the top. Just hit the button table and first column you just select, automatically the lines will be added over here. As you see here, yes. So now I just want to move this table in little bit down. So on top you will find a plus button. Just click in the mouse and just drag, means automatically it will move into a down. As you see here, so this is a top model I just want. So I just want to drag into a down little bit. Now I just want to add more lines over here. Just click a tab button in your keyboard so that automatically the pages will be added in your entire Word document. As you see here, simple and easiest way. So I just want to give a leave space over here for my page number. So now I just want to add some lines over here. So on the design itself you will find a border style, pen color will be there. Just choose a pen color is red and choose a double line over here, as well as border width also you can choose, and just click here. It will change into that, as you see here. So simple and easiest way, wherever you want you can click, according to that it will move into that. Yes. Now I just want to add one more line over here. Just go to insert and you will find a shape option. So just click the shape and just click a line option to draw the line over here. As you see here, simple line. Using shift key the line will be in straight format, and you can choose a shape outline into a color, a red color, and if you want to choose a width into a 1 point, means 1 point. So you just copy and paste over the same option, and you can drag and keep it in a center option over there. As you see here, the page will be created with a beautiful option over here. Now I just want to add the date and things will be there. So just go to insert button and shape and rounded rectangle shape and create like this. So without any other color, shape fill color no, and shape outline will be in a red or blue or anything else you can give. So if you want you can give whatever you want and you can add according to your needs. This is a simple and easiest way to create a notebook using your Word itself. So you can go for the print and give the print, or make a PDF and send to your students to take a print. Simple and easiest way, using the simple click you can create a beautiful notebook. Just do the miracle and get excited. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.